Brian from Spring has a question about moldy grout.
Well, he had grout in the shower replaced about 6 months ago.
Okay.
And Brian writes, the grout was cracking and had black spots, and the grout they used to replace was the same as the grout that was used by the builder. That when they originally put it in. Now, the floor and wall seams are black again and cracking. And the mildew and bleach haven't done any good, he says, to get rid of this. So he wants to know, is there anything different I should do? Because Brian wonders, maybe, is it time to replace the grout?
First off, people use straight bleach, thinking it's going to be super strong and dye it super white.
Right.
It burns the grout and turns it black.
Oh.
So there's one little thing I want to throw out there. Be careful with bleach.
Some of this black could be by his own hand.
Self-induced.
Self-induced black rot.
Yes.
Okay.
The other thing is, if you have a shower that's taking water behind it, and doesn't have a backer board, for instance, has green rock. The green rock is now saturated. You don't know it because you can't push on it and it's not moving, but it's actually got so much moisture in there, the moisture's wanting to come through and turns the grout black too. So that could be another issue. If you want to try replacing the grout, that's fine. Is the builder's grout a bad grout? No, I'm sure it was fine when it was put in. It's just the years that have going on, and I have a feeling there's a deeper problem with your shower because of the fact that it's probably saturated in the walls and it's not drying out properly. And so the grout is taking the brunt of it, as well as you could be using straight bleach on it thinking you're doing a good thing and doing a bad thing.
What would you clean grout with?
I would just use simple
soapy water.
Soapy water, yeah. And if you have a little mold or mildew and you're going to use bleach, 2 parts water, 1 part bleach. Don't use it straight.
Okay.
People tend to do that and just spritz it on a little bit and walk away. It'll kill mildew. But if it's turning black like that, there's probably a more intense reason. There's something else going on.
So when he replaces the grout, that'd be the time to figure out, is there moisture coming from behind it?
Yeah, I would do is do a 1 foot area and do the goo grout. I know it's going to stand out. It's going to look weird. But let it sit for 3 months if you can be patient enough and see what happens with it. If it starts to go black again, it's not the grout issue. You're blaming the wrong product or thing on the wall.
And it could be time to visit the tile store and start picking out your new tile.
Yeah, and talking to Trifection with your new remodeled bathroom, which will be gorgeous, and that kind of thing.
Right. And then if the grout turns black, call and yell at them.
You can.
Yeah.
Jeff's a good listener.
Yeah, he is.
He really is. He's very calm.
He's a good listener.
He is a good listener. But he hardly says anything in a meeting where he just sits there and just listens and stares out the window, but he's taking it all in.
Yeah, and the meeting usually wraps up with, okay, here's what we're going to do.
That's right. At the end, he already knows how it's going to end.
That's right.
But he's a good guy.
But and if he were to do that, I will tell you this: if that was a Trifection bathroom, they would come and fix it because they stand behind everything. They do forever.
Yeah, no, they just mine, and my grout turns color when it gets wet, and then it dries out, and it's an even color again. And that's what grout will do. So when you're using the shower, the grout will turn in places because certain areas are getting saturated. Don't let it bother you. I've had so many clients used to call me, hey, when I turn the shower on, the grout changes color. But when I don't use it for a day, it goes back to the original. Yeah, it just dries out. But if it can't dry out, then it's when you start getting the blackness and the deterioration because the backer boards and stuff behind there, or not the backer board, but the sheetrock they might have used or something, is just holding too much water.
We've learned a lot here today, kids, about grout and
grout.
So tune in again. By sending us your question, visit HomeShowRadio.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Ask Tom button. Click that. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.